What's up everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a Wi-Fi smart motorized socket. I want y'all to check this thing out because it's absolutely amazing. This is by the company Redcomets and it's an automatic pop-up socket. And I did take it out of the box and check it out and make sure everything was good with it. And I just want to show y'all exactly what you get when you get this thing in, because I absolutely love this and I can't wait to install it. And just kind of like going over it here, and this is what you're going to drill the hole out. So you're going to need a drill, and this is how this is going to work. This is going to screw down in there, and that's how you would drill it out. So it's really good that they give you the hole saw bit that you get to work with on that. And then looking at the unit itself, let me just go ahead and pull the unit out. You know, you get some mounting hardware there, and then let me show you how this thing works. And then here's a little set of instructions, and just kind of like going over the little user manual. It's Wi-Fi connection. It has an app control. It's QI wireless charger, which means it's a wireless charger here. And it has a night lamp on it. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It's voice control. It controls your devices from anywhere, so that's really cool that you can shut it on and off. And it's device sharing, so you know you could use it for a lot of different things. And then the app you're going to use is the Smart Life app. There's a little QR code to download it. So let me just kind of like go over this unit real quick. Let me plug it in here, plug that up, and what you're going to do right here, there's an on and off switch right here. You're going to cut a hole and slide this down into, as it's right here, you can put that on. It's charging. So that's a wireless charger on the top. And then to open it up here, that is awesome. This right here is what you would install, and then this screws down to it. And then once you screw it down to the board or something, then you could easily run like a power outlet out of it. It has a USB-C out and a USB-A out. You want to turn the light on, just barely touch that. You can turn the light on, you can turn the Wi-Fi on. Highly recommend this thing. Let's hook it up with the Bluetooth. So you see you can hook up the Bluetooth. Serves actually a little bit of everything, and the coolest thing is it can mount inside of a wall or inside of a table, and then you can just throw your phone right there on top of it and it starts charging your phone. Highly recommend this thing. That's all I got today, everybody, on the Redcomet Power Socket. Yeah, check it out. See you guys in the next video.